After any past shots fired, after I have these shots fired, we're going to be at Pico and Kenmore. Suspect male Hispanic running eastbound on Pico Boulevard. Male Hispanic with the gray tank top.
Control, give me a perimeter, please. We're going to be at Pico and Dewey. I need a unit all the way south of Pico on Dewey.
City is requesting a perimeter Pico and Dewey and all
Where?
the way south of Pico and Dewey.
Where?
Right there, next to the scooter.
That's the gun, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 36. Also, be advised, we're going to have visual of the suspect's gun. It's going to be on Dewey, south of Pico.
Have a visual of the suspect's gun on Dewey, south of Pico.
Hey, get inside, get out the way.
Give me he's westbound this way, but give me a full perimeter.
Road back in 2036, please.
Hey, stop right there! Stop right there! Come here, bro! Get down! Let's go, get down!
Somebody got a baton! Somebody get a baton!
Fucking arms! Your fucking arms!
Put me down there, homie! Put me down! You can't put me down! You can't! Somebody get it on! Get him! I got it! All right. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. All right, somebody get it. I can't breathe.
Nah.
You should down.
Oh! Oh, fuck! Yeah!
Okay, it looks like we have officers making contact here at Pico and Roberto.
Yeah, bro. So it's not the fuck hit him and then you hit him.
Hi, baby.
I'll be fine with that.
Hey guys, verify the suspect you have at Pico and Orlando. Verify using suspect.
Yeah, go take it.
Right over the suspect. Since the suspect is now in custody, do we still need the perimeter and additional units information?
Hey, just verify his spot. Oh, the suspect. Got him? Him? Yeah.
Make sure, bro. I'm on your side.
I just want to make sure, yeah. Alright.